Now let us know the difference between normal PUC college and integrated PU college. In normal PU college, they will teach only PUC syllabus and teach only the question and answers in the PUC textbooks. In these colleges, the fees will be around 50,000 to 30,000. Now I will tell you about integrated PU college. In these colleges, they will teach PU syllabus along with JEE or PUC along with NEET or PUC along with CET. In and around Davangere, integrated colleges are charging 1 lakh to 1.5 lakh fees per year. Now I will tell about the difference between PU lecturers and competitive lecturers. PU lecturers will have 3 to 5 years of experience. Their salary also will be from 20,000 to 30,000, and competitive lecturers will be 15 to 20 years of experience. These lecturers can teach JEE or NEET along with PUC. If your children join in normal PU college, they have to go to a coaching center for NEET or JEE coaching. In college, they will be teaching one chapter, and in coaching center, they will be teaching some other chapter. Students will be confused to follow either coaching center or PU college. If your children are joining an integrated college at the same place parallelly, they will teach PUC along with JEE or NEET coaching, which is also called as parallel coaching. So it is better to join your children in integrated college. Now I will explain about difference between JEE, NEET and CET. In CET, 45% theory based questions will be there and 55% numerical based questions will be there. In JEE, 25% application based questions and 75% numerical based questions will be there. In NEET, 75% theory based questions and 25% numerical based questions will be there. So NEET is completely based on NCERT textbook. Students preparing for NEET will not get JEE rank, and whoever is preparing for JEE will not get NEET rank. CET, JEE and NEET have their own way of preparations. So separate coaching should be given for students who are preparing for CET, separate coaching should be given for students preparing for JEE, and separate coaching should be given for students preparing for NEET. In our college, we have separate sections for JEE and separate sections for NEET. In our college, we have excellent hostel facility and separate hostels for boys and girls. Doctor is available in campus around the clock. Excellent lab facilities are also available. College timings are 9 am to 5 pm. Study hour timings for hostel students are morning 6 am to 8 am, evening 6 pm to 8 pm, night 8:30 pm to 10:30 pm. Coaching lectures are also available in the study hours. As CBSE exams are cancelled, we will be conducting exams in maths and science for all students, and as per the marks obtained in the scholarship test, concession will be given to the students. If student gets above 90% in the scholarship test, 50% scholarship will be given, and if student scores more than 95%, free seat will be given to the students. In district level sports, our students bagged first and second prizes in football, shuttle, throwball and athletics. Now you might have a question like, why should I think about admissions from now, and why admissions will be started in the top colleges? In integrated colleges, limited seats will be available as per the PU board. Even in our college, we also have permission for 3 sections: JEE section, NEET section and rank guarantee batch. Only students who get 90% will be taken into rank guarantee batch. Now I completed my presentation. Now I request parents to ask any doubts or questions, or type in the chat box your questions. I will be answering one by one. Who want to talk to me, just raise your hand and then we will unmute you and then you can talk to me.